Woo! Hey y'all, me and Renegade's running around here somewhere. He's chasing bugs and things. That's what he does. That's his dog's life. Here today to talk to you about being a vendor at events. Now, let me preface this by saying that not all these tips are concrete facts of life, because vendors are so different. The people putting on the shows are so different. What you can allow in and what you can't allow in, it changes from event to event. Seems like just yesterday we were sitting around getting t-shirts that everybody's ordered, ready to go, packaged up, ready to be picked up to be worn. Only there was some B-roll, man, with a little taste of audio in there somewhere.
Let's see what tomorrow's weather's gonna be. 95 and sunny.
Hot.
Hot.
Hot, hot.
Well, these will be beautiful outside.
Wozer.
Extras.
So much stuff. Look at that.
This stuff's dried, and then
That's snazzy
our
right there.
sponsor.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, pretty cool.
These
The bag.
I really like those bags.
Okay.
Yeah, why is there green?
Because I wanted it to be green.
Shut up.
Green's my favorite color.
It's kind of like the cool Joker. Where you don't go all the way green, you just go a little bit.
I'm kind of funny.
I'll drink a soda to that. So we are off to Sister Strut 2018. I don't really have any special effects to put in there. Also, I don't know if I can get up from this pose, because a little bit out of shape. Renegade, help! Ready? This wasn't a photography event, but when you get events like this that are outside of your niche wheelhouse, you could be the only game in town, only business there, versus competing with a bunch of other brands that do the same thing that you do. Where's stuff gonna be? How's things to be set up? Will there be power here? Who's gonna be around? Having a really good rapport with whoever the vendor is, major key, because I ask probably, I don't know, 3,000 questions a minute. So even though it's not always possible, whenever possible, feel free to participate in whatever event that you're at, you know, because, hey, it's fun and it's nice to be involved with what you're doing. And that's a wrap. That is all she wrote for Sister Strut 2018. Let's do a quick recap.
Communicate with event organizers. Think of going to events outside of your niche within reason, and participate in the event if possible.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So have you ever been in that situation where you accidentally mixed up which VHS tape you thought you had Adventures in Babysitting in the box when you returned it to Blockbuster, only to find out it was your Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the original one from like '89, with the original April O'Neil before Paige took the role? So forget that very specific reference I'm making right now. Here's what happened. In this box, two very similar CVS drugstore envelopes. One empty as can be, the other full, containing the giveaways for Sister Strut today that is now over. So I was thinking, you know, not really too big of a deal. I would have really loved to just hand these out to people, but I just forgot that I had these 2-pack and did not have them all in 1 pack. However, I'll still give these away at some point if I don't see you out and about. How about this? Sign up at photo17.com to be a part of the email list, which you can opt out of, but don't do that because there's going to be discounts, and I'll start off with 10% off everything on the website just for signing up for the email list at photo17.com. How's that? For me trying to forget about not returning a video to Blockbuster Video so many years ago. But go to photo17.com right now. Also hit that subscribe button to never miss a shot from photo17.com, the online home of Carolina's photography.